I'm going to be reviewing Brian Johnson's snake oil. Now, first off, disclaimer, there's actually no snake in this, which is a very good thing. But basically what it is it's a premium extra virgin olive oil. Now, what it is it's sourced from Spain, and every single bottle is actually in a glass bottle, a very dark glass bottle, so it doesn't contaminate and just degrade the nutrients over time if it is left in the sun. You do want to store this in a cool environment, kind of dark, like over here, for example, just not in the direct sunlight by your window or something. And what it is it's a extra virgin olive oil, obviously, that contains a lot of oleic and polyphenols, which actually has 400 milligrams of polyphenols, which is significantly higher than the average olive oil, which are really good for antioxidants, and oleic acids are good for cardiovascular health. And on each bottle, it actually does say when it was actually packaged. This one was packaged on 5/8 in 2024. That's when it was filled up in Spain. So relatively extremely recently. So it is always fresh. When you buy this, it's always fresh. It comes in like a nice, like pyramid type box almost. And I personally do everything with it. I really like the taste. I cook like my pancakes, chicken, any meats I cook or vegetables with this. It's just good for sauteing and just cooking. I really like the flavor of it in general. However, when it does come to cons, the price of this thing is relatively extremely expensive. It's actually $35 for this bottle right here, which comparably to the traditional olive oil that you might find at Whole Foods or just like at any random supermarket, this stuff is pricey. Like that bottle, this size at the supermarket might cost you like $15 or $10, let's just say. However, it does not contain as much polyphenols and antioxidants just because it doesn't go through as many testings typically. Now, Graza is another one that I typically buy. I don't have any of that olive oil right now, but that's another one that I often do some cooking with just because the flavor is less intense than this one. Now, the flavor of this is like kind of peppery and is extremely smooth. So that's something that I really like, but a lot of people might not like that taste. So if you don't like extremely strong, like peppery, or just like, you know what olive oil tastes like, if you don't like that, like extremely potent, then probably don't buy this stuff or just try it and then don't buy it on a recurring basis because you can actually do that and get 5% off if you buy it every month. But yeah, this stuff is pretty dang clear and pretty dang pure. I've bought it like 10 times, which is pretty dang crazy to say. I'm an avid user of it, but the variation of the taste might be due just because it comes from different harvests and different olives are actually pressed more or less than others, just giving it a different taste, a varying taste, which tells you that it is pure and like very pure, but it doesn't have a super consistent taste like every single time you buy it. So that might be another con, but I really like this stuff. And if you buy it, honestly, try cooking everything with it. See what you like and see what you don't like. And if you do like this, just down a tablespoon every day, which is like kind of what I do, to be honest. And yeah, it's a pretty good stuff.